Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Chipotle gift card on their Doordash. First of all, open the Doordash app and log in to your account. After that, search for Chipotle in the app and select your nearest location. Now choose your favorite items from the menu and add them to your cart. Now go to the checkout page. Unfortunately, DoorDash doesn't allow you to directly use Chipotle gift cards. But here's the workaround. Use your Chipotle gift card in the Chipotle app or any store to buy food, then place a pickup order through their DoorDash for delivery. And there you go. While you can't use the gift card directly on DoorDash, this method gets you Chipotle delivered to your door in no time. Thanks for watching.